Monica Pugan and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna talk about common diseases and disorders of hair and scalp. Stay tuned. So first is dandruff or balakubak in Tagalog. Ano nga ba ito? Ang dandruff or balakubak in Tagalog is a yeast-like fungus na caused by irritated and dry skin. But of course, there's a way to get rid of your dandruff. Ano nga ba ito? Use dandruff shampoo to get rid of your dandruff, and always rinse your hair more often so clean palagi yung scalp mo, so hindi siya madaling kapitan ng mga fungus like yeast-like fungus. And don't scratch your hair kasi nga maaaring ma-irritate ang iyong skin or ang iyong scalp and may cause a dandruff or balakubak. So yun. Second common diseases or disorders sa scalp and hair is ang head lice. Ang head lice o kuto ay ectoparasitic para sa humans. Ano nga ba ang cause ng head lice or kuto? Ang cause po nito ay head-to-head contact with an infested person. Kaya nga dapat umiwas tayo sa mga taong may kuto, hindi dahil maarte po tayo, kundi conscious po tayo sa ating health. And syempre, there's a way to cure head lice. You can use coconut oil and olive oil to get rid of your lice, diba? And the third one is ringworm. It is a fungal infection in the skin. And ano nga ba mga cause nito? Ang ringworm ay caused by fungi. And how to cure or prevent fungi? To cure ringworm fast, you can use antifungal treatments. Number 4, alopecia areata. Alopecia or bald spots. Ano nga ba mga sanhi ng alopecia or bald spots? Ang sanhi nito ay person's immune system attacks their own hair follicles and leading to bald spots. You can cure alopecia using treatments and doctor-prescribed products. Number 5 is dry hair. Ito ang mga buhok na kulang ng moisture and oil to maintain their normal texture. Isa sa mga causes ng dry hair is washing your hair too often kasi maaari niyang ma-rinse away yung mga natural oil na nire-release ng iyong scalp upang ma-stay moistured ang iyong hair. To cure your dry hair, you can trim your hair regularly and use hair serums and hair products to moisture your dry hair. Number 6 is oily hair. It is caused by build-up of natural grease sa scalp nyo. You can prevent having oily hair by washing every other day or every 2 days instead of daily. So that's all. I hope you learned a lot from this video and bye-bye!